So we have ourselves quite the interesting look here. So someone was able to get a dummy unit of the Z Fold 7 and compare it to the Z Fold 6. And this is what we got. So shout out to, sometimes I try to say people's names on YouTube. Like I try to read the YouTube name. I'll be honest with you, there's a better shot I'm dunking a 3 from half court than than ever saying this name. But shout out to them for that. With that being said, this is of course on the Z Fold 7 on the left, on the right. On the left, this is the Z Fold 6, and right away, I mean, let's be honest. Again, the Z Fold 7 is the Z Fold 6 Special Edition. If you didn't see it last year, it is so much better. Again, is it going to be better than the Z Fold 8? In my opinion, no. I think the Z Fold 8 will be the biggest leap we will see for Z foldable phones. But even that, with that being said, I mean, the Z Fold 7 is still a very beautiful phone. And when you look at the two side by side, actually no, this is the S25 Ultra. But even when you look at it compared to S25 Ultra, man, the Z Fold 7 is so super thin. It's almost to a point where it seems like it doesn't seem real with how thin it actually is. Which just insane. Absolutely insane. The Z Fold 6 versus Z Fold 7. I mean, Z Fold 7 is the size of the actual USB port. USB-C port. That's literally the size of the Z Fold 7. Like with Z Fold 6, you can see there's some, give on the top or give on the bottom. Z Fold 7, there is no give. Like, this is the exact same size, which I am amazed that Samsung was able to do this. Again, like I said, I just think the Z Fold 8 is going to be so good because this is going to be just one of the great things about the Z Fold 8 is how thin it is. Now, based on what we understand, there's no downsides yet. Keep in mind, again, this is Z Fold 6 Special Edition. So this has technically been out for a year indirectly. So there hasn't been any setbacks, I will say, right? So it's not like, we've had any issues with this being this thin. We hope there's no issues moving forward. Because again, you put a phone this thin, usually you're asking for a disaster or a problem. But it doesn't look like that's the case. So, still very awesome. Hopefully we get some more updates soon of some actual images outside dummy units of these phones. But it's weird because they call this a dummy unit, but it does turn on and he's using it. So that's interesting. But yeah, okay. So this top is the Z Fold 7 Special Edition. And the bottom is the Z Fold 7. So Z Fold 6 Special Edition. So this is what came out last year. Yes, it is thinner than Z Fold 6 Special Edition. What? Oh, man. That's insane. That is absolutely insane. Yeah, this phone, Samsung surely pushed the envelope. See, I don't know. When I look at this, right, all I think about is jerry-rig everything and how he's going to split this bad boy in half. Although, every single Z Fold 7, for the most part, or every single, not Z Fold 7, every single Z Fold device, after I believe the 5, has survived jerry-rig everything's durability test. So, maybe not. Maybe jerry-rig everything won't be able to actually take down this phone. When I look at it, I'm like, dude, that hinge has to break. It's almost to a point where there is no hinge. It's there, but it's not there. It's so small. Yeah, anyway, guys, tell me down below your thoughts, opinions. See you guys next one. Peace out.